bro. I'm 20 years old and I'm a property investor. I have recently purchased this property and we had to embark on a full house reno. It's now it's now done and I'm very, very pleased with how it turned out. So when we took it on, a lot of things were wrong with it. You had structural issues in the hallway, you had many different things. Lintel needed to be changed, but we ended up embarking on a full house reno. So that's your kitchen, knocking down the wall that used to be here, full replaster, full paint, floors, upstairs, bathroom remodel. Basically the start to finish, top to bottom, full renovation. So choosing the right contractor, it's quite important. It's a very important thing, especially if you're going through any type of renovation. I chose Andy Walker simply because of their communication skills and the quality of work that I'd seen online. Now, I'd received I think I went on to many different things. People were quoting me insane quotations. I'm seeing negative reviews, etc. Came across Andy Walker, gave them a quick call and they were here the next day. Very prompt and precise, understood exactly what I was trying to achieve with the house, and yeah, I can't fault them at all. Communication was incredible. So yeah, I'd say communication, quality of work. The team are incredible. Honestly, the next property that we do embark on, definitely something. Give you guys a quick shout back. But no, 100%. The thing is, I also work on the site, so I was never at the property anytime. But the team, every single day, whenever they were on site, informed me of any changes, anything that was completed. Even if it wasn't completed, they would still give me an end of day report and simply just send me a video so I can see exactly what's going on. If I had free time, I'd pop over. But yeah, no, they were spot on. Any issues that came about, quick, very, very quick and precise communication. So with the timeline, initially, I was probably me being a little bit, trying to achieve a little bit more. It was quite a short time frame. However, it was spot on. Everything that, of course, was delivered on time and came on time, it was all completed in the correct manner. So yeah, time frame, time scale was not a problem at all. The lads did a great job. They completed on time and every time. Oh yeah, so I was literally just speaking to him before. We had basically a comparison picture of the old house and the new house. Well, so how it used to look and how it looked now, more than satisfying. I'm sure you probably put a little picture in the video of how it used to look, but no, it's completely changed. We brought this house back to life and I'm very, very satisfied, more than happy. For one, I'm a gatekeeper. I like to keep everything to myself, but of course for workmanship like this and craftsmanship, then I can't really hide it. So honestly, if you're ever looking for someone to redo your house, then yeah, I would always recommend Andy Walker, definitely. Reason why? I think the house can explain it for yourself. That's the reason why. Yeah, honestly, can't fault him. Next project that we embark on, probably be much more bigger than this, but the lads are better shot. Andy Walker, absolutely incredible company. Can't fault him. I said that multiple times. Wish the lads all the best, honestly. They've helped me a lot. They helped me out a lot, and all I can hope for is all the best for them. And they take on and start conquering Manchester.